Okay, so today I'm going to check this hive and this hive, both of which I put a queen in, a new queen, a Carniolan queen on Friday. Today is Wednesday. So by putting her in you'll see that she was in a little cage. It takes them about 3 days to eat through a little candy plug that's in there to get to her. So cross our fingers, they accepted her when they got to her, and she's still alive. So that's what we're going to check. I'm also going to check to see if this top box on both hives still has some sugar in it, some sugar water, which is food for them until they start building up their hive and getting stronger. Still has sugar water in there, which is good. I'm going to give them a little smoke. There's not a lot of activity since more for them being able to protect their hive from the other bees in the other hives who are stronger who may try to rob them. If they have a smaller hole, it's easier for them to guard. So, what I wanted to bring out was my So, right in the middle there is my queen cage that I put in on Friday. Make some room. So first I just want to see if she's even still in there or not. If she's not, I'm going to look for her. They're not really swarming around the cage, so it would lead me to believe that she's no longer in there. Oh, I take that back. They're all around the cage. But candy plug is gone. So she's got to be in here somewhere. If they kept her alive. Dum da dum dum. So if she's in here, I would pretty much expect her to be in the middle of this hive, because that's where the brood is. I mean, she could be in the outer edges, but I would expect her to be in the middle here somewhere. The other thing I'm looking for is eggs, if she started to lay any eggs, and there are not any eggs in there. Eggs are super tiny. It's sometimes hard to see. I don't see her on that frame anymore. There were a couple deep on some, so I thought maybe she'd be underneath some of those beads, but I don't see her. I see her. Uh-huh, I see her. Uh-huh. I've got a queen and she is alive. Not much of a mark on her. See the blue dot? You getting it? So that's huge. That's big news. So she is released. She is accepted. And I won't look any further because I'm happy. So I will let them do their thing and her do her thing, which is lay eggs and grow this hive. They have plenty of room and they've got food. I'm just going to shake these. I don't know what these guys are doing. They seem
confused.
pretty infatuated with it. She may have just came out today, maybe. So her pheromones could still be all over this box, maybe. So they could just be confused, thinking she's in there somewhere. Come on, buddy. Well, she'll figure her way out. So, one success. Oh, and so you can see, so they can come up from underneath. There's a slot at the bottom of this. They come up from underneath, they climb, and then they go back down. And they're able to get to the sugar water down in there. So you can see them all in there. And then they climb back and go back down into the hive. So it's neat for a hive because you can get a lot of robbing if you have feed sugar from the outside. It attracts a whole bunch of other bees. But this way, only the bees of this hive can get to that sugar water. Of course. So let's go to the other one. Now that big bump there, that's usually not a great thing to do whenever you're a really big active hive. But okay, there's still sugar in there, sugar water in there. You can see the bees are able to get to it. You can see them all in there behind the plastic screen. So let's hope for the same results here. These guys seem to be a little more active. There actually seems to be more bees in this hive. I'm not sure why. I guess I just maybe gave them more bees to begin with. So I'll just make sure she is not on this. I would not expect her to be out on the outside. And she is not. You can see that one is just loaded with bee bread. So that's pollen and their enzymes that makes this bee bread which they feed. larva. This one definitely has more bees. So let's see if she's out. Let's see she's out. So let's see if we can find her. I think I just might have given these bees more bees to begin with. So that's a full frame of brood for the most part. I don't see her there. More brood. I don't see her on this frame either.
Whoa, wait, pause.
What?
Let me zoom in real quick on here. No, turn them the other way around. Look at all his little pollen on his leg.
Oh, yeah. Yep. There she is. Bottom right corner. See her? Woohoo! Success. So I have 2 new hives with 2 new queens. Both have been accepted. I'm fired up. Woo woo!